That was the letter C. Long sound, short sound, long sound, short sound. Did da. Okay, so did da is the letter V. That's the letter V. 3 short sounds, 1 long sound. The letter J, 1 short sound, 3 long sounds. So we're using the iambic, no, we're not using the iambic. Yeah, we're using the Vibroplex iambic paddle today. And I have this set up very sensitively. So when you touch the left paddle here, you hear a series of dits. When you touch the right side, you hear a series of das, long sounds. When you squeeze them both together, you hear a series of dits and das combined. So for the letter C, it's right, left, right, left. But you don't want to make it sound like that. You want to make it sound normal, like. So the letter V again, 3 short sounds, 1 long sound. Da. I made a mistake there, so. And the letter J, 1 short sound, 3 long sounds. Da. And there you have it, a little practice with the Vibroplex iambic paddle.